So we have a 2024 Audi RS3. We've done a Ghost III Immobiliser. Now we'll show you how it operates and works in this vehicle. So with this, obviously, if we just press the start button, the system will come on and is active. But we need to change the password. So to change the password, you must simply enter your demonstration password you have currently right now. So once we have entered our password, we get two flashes at the very top of the dashboard. Once we have that, we can put our foot on the accelerator pedal all the way to the floor, and we enter the same password again. Now it gives us a flash at the top. Once we see that flash, we can release our feet off the pedals, and now it's ready for its new password. Buttons you have on this vehicle are going to be such as follows: some on the steering wheels, left and right hand sides. We're going to have our window switches and a few other buttons down in the center console just along here. But for demonstration, we're going to keep it on the same button, but I'll show you how it works. So we're going to enter the password that you may want. It gives you three flashes. We're going to do the same password again. It's now going to give us two flashes to confirm. That is now saved and is successful. So if we switch the vehicle off, that is now the new password for the vehicle. So if we try that out by starting the vehicle, as you'll notice, my foot is on the brake and we cannot select the gear. As soon as I enter the password, we get our two flashes at the very top. We can now select the gear and it will be operational for the vehicle. Obviously, for servicing mode, you must simply just start your car, put your password as you have, and your driver's window 5 times. 5 times traveling upwards will now flash 5 times to let you know you've pressed it 5 times. That is now in your service mode. So if we switch the vehicle off, now you should be able to drive the vehicle with no password present. So if we put our foot on the brake and we start the vehicle, as you will see, we can change gear straight away with no password. So if we lock that off, as you are collecting your vehicle, you must bring that system back on and into action. The way you do so is simply by starting the vehicle as we have, entering the password you have for your vehicle. It will give you your 2 flashes to acknowledge. And that has now brought the vehicle back into its normal mode. So if we switch the vehicle off, it will now need the password in order to drive the vehicle again. And that's how it works on the new 2024 Audi RS3s.